We are taught to believe that fast is always forward and that slow is always stuck. But this is a story we tell ourselves, a pressure we inherit from a world that worships speed. What if we reframed it? What if we saw slowness not as a lack of progress, but as a deliberate, mindful presence? Life moves in seasons, not in a straight, upward line. There are times for quiet dormancy, like a seed waiting beneath the winter soil. There are times for tender sprouting, and times for vibrant, sun-drenched growth. Speed is not the measure of a life well lived. Alignment is. Some people will sprint past you, a flash of urgent motion. But a constant sprint is unsustainable. It often leads to burnout, a flame that shines brightly but extinguishes too soon. Others walk steadily, with a cadence that is their own. They may not be the first to arrive, but their journey is richer, their energy is conserved, and they go farther in the end. They understand that endurance is built one consistent step at a time. There is immense power in steady, quiet growth. It builds deep roots that anchor you in storms and resilience that allows you to bend without breaking. Like a tree, your strength isn't measured by how fast you grow, but by how deeply you are grounded. So let go of the feeling that you are late. Your path is not on anyone else's timeline. Let go of the judgment that your pace is wrong. Your pace is your rhythm, your internal compass guiding you. You are not falling behind. You are simply, beautifully, aligning with the person you are meant to become. Forward is still forward, even when it is gentle, quiet, and calm. It is the subtle unfurling of a leaf, the steady rise of the tide. Progress doesn't always shout. Often it whispers. So take a deep breath. Feel your feet on the ground. Honor your pace. It is not a flaw to be corrected, but a strength to be embraced. It is carrying you, with perfect timing, exactly where you need to be.
Inspire yourself. Follow for daily motivation.